rich boy.
I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him, bitch. I got forces in the G. Come out and not time when I creep. News been in Gotham City, bitch. I put Batman on the T. I so slide my bag, I Joker, Harley Quinn in my front seat. But I've been trying to get back on the whistle in all three. Duck your top, boy, duck your head. That was the thing behind the window, walk down with it. He made that diss her what he said, and I don't give a fuck by none of my ops here behind the window, walk down the leg. Right now, I don't give a fuck by a bitch get smacked out. So I try to walk up, thought it was sweet. Just how it's coming out, they stab bitch got the blood all on the street. You know that. Let's start over. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Bitch, I got 4-6 in the G. Come out and not tell when I agree. News video got the seat, bitch. I put Batman on the seat. And so I'm gonna talk to twin and call the Queen in my first seat. Robert trying to get back. I know it's gonna kill our team. Duck your top, but up your head. Punch the scooter, tell down the window while down with it. He made that diss her what he said. And I don't give a fuck by none of my ops sitting down the window walk down the leg. Fuck! Bitch. For the phone!